How to use ChatGPT with your business, the ultimate guide. Welcome to this ultimate guide on how to use ChatGPT with your business. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help businesses in various ways. In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to automate customer service, generate content, and improve marketing strategies. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge you need to start using ChatGPT with your business. Before we dive into how to use ChatGPT with your business, let's first understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a language model based on GPT 3.5 architecture that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It is a powerful tool that can help businesses in various ways, such as automating customer service, generating the content, and improving marketing strategies. Now let's look at how ChatGPT can be used for customer service automation. ChatGPT can be trained to understand common customer queries and respond to them in a human-like manner. This can help businesses save time and resources by automating their customer service. Customers can get their queries answered quickly and efficiently, while businesses can focus on other essential tasks. Next, let's look at how ChatGPT can generate content. ChatGPT can generate high-quality content based on the input it receives. This can help businesses save time and resources by automating their content creation. ChatGPT can be trained to generate blog posts, social media posts, product descriptions, and more. Businesses can generate a large amount of content quickly and easily, while ensuring that the content is high quality. Finally, let's look at how ChatGPT can improve marketing strategies. ChatGPT can be trained to understand customer behavior and preferences. This can help businesses personalize their marketing strategies and improve their conversion rates. ChatGPT can also generate ad copy, email marketing content, and more. Using ChatGPT, businesses can improve their marketing strategies and increase their ROI. That's it for this ultimate guide on how to use ChatGPT with your business. We've shown you how ChatGPT can be used for customer service automation, content generation, and marketing strategy improvement. Using ChatGPT, businesses can save time and resources while improving their customer experience and increasing their ROI. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Have a great day.